Welcome to our video on how to make this 3D part in Freecad. First we will make bottom portion. In second side view sketch, we will make close loop by side view sketch. Let's start activity. Select Part Design Workbench. Click here to add a new document. Click here to add a new body. Create sketch. Select XY plane. Click OK. Turn on grid. Adjust size. Turn off auto constraints. Select Polyline tool. Draw rough sketch. Provide vertical constraints. You can see remaining degrees of freedom to make this sketch fully constrained. Provide horizontal constraint. Check degrees of freedom. Provide line length. Provide equal constraint. Provide line length. You can see planar degrees of freedom. Select coincident constraint to restrict them. Sketch is now fully constrained. Close this sketch. Extrude this sketch. Reverse direction. Provide thickness. Click OK. Add new sketch. Select YZ plane. Turn off auto constraints. Select line tool. Draw rough sketch. Add arc. Let's join ends. Select coincident constraint. Provide vertical constraint. Provide horizontal constraint. Provide equal constraint. Provide dimensions. Provide radius. Check degrees of freedom. Provide equal constraint. Provide vertical distance. Select endpoint and origin. (15 mm). Horizontal distance is 0. You can see fully constrained sketch. Extrude this sketch. Reverse direction. Thickness is 10 mm. Make this statement condition to true. Let's export this part. Import this part. Let's move this part. Change part color. Let's change background color. And there you have it. By following along and analyzing the isometric view, you've successfully recreated this part. Well done. Thank you for your time.